Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change plan on Revolut. So let's get into the video. Firstly, open up Revolut and log into your account. So I'm opening my Revolut and I'm just going to log in now. Let me log in. Okay, so once that's done, so I've logged in now. So once you've logged into your account, so if you want to cancel your plan, so what are you going to, if you're going to change your plan, so what are you going to do? On your top left here, click on your profile. So once you click on your profile here, you will see, when you scroll down, you will see an option called plan. So what I have to do now is click on plan. So here you will have the option to browse around different plans here. So suppose at the moment I'm on my standard plan here. So if I'm going to change my plan, I can change the premium or the metal plan here. So just browse the tabs here. So whatever, once you are ready to change your plan, so what you have to do now is select the plan that you want to change and then hit on the get premium. So once you just have to make the payment. So once you hit on get premium, you just have to make the payment and then complete the transaction, and your plan will your plan will be changed automatically once you're done with the transaction. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful to you all. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.